for this in 50 hours, I think the fact is that I meet a lot of people. So there are two kinds of people or three kinds of people who are starting companies today, right? There is this exceptional student who's in a college or in a just graduating out of college, who basically wants to sit out of placements, right? Or it's this professional who's been working in a company for the last 7 years and basically says, you know what, I think, I realized that, I was part of a 10,000 bunch of people who were basically hired into the company. I realized about 100 people are going to make up the corporate ladder. I don't want to be doing this, right? And then there are also a lot of people who are coming up from abroad or, returning from various places who want to start companies. I think there is no easy, risk-free way of basically trying to figure out whether an idea has legs. So a weekend seemed like, most people actually go out to Pondicherry and come back. Why don't you actually spend that weekend on doing something, right? So we needed to kind of do this as a weekend event rather than taking more time than that. This is not an original event. I think there's a very similar event that happens in the Valley called Startup Weekend. We were trying to bring that event to India. There was no reason for us to basically create something from scratch, so we wanted to bring that event. The only problem was that they have this whole global pricing policy, so they basically said that the minimum price has to be 3,000 rupees and all. For a student, I think 3,000 rupees is a little too much, right? I think he would rather go spend that 120 rupees on a movie theater than on a thing. So we needed to adjust it for local conditions, was more like it. So in 50 hours basically was, an idea inspired by something that already exists versus a local need that actually was there, and a lot of local adaptations that actually went into it. I think you kind of need that because I realize a lot of people trying to build systems that work in the Valley and basically doing ditto copies of that and failing at it. We are not Americans at the end of the day, right? We have a lot of things that work for us and work against us, and we need to kind of figure out how to build us up.